Okay, so for this puzzle, we're going to consider the four numbers that go in the squares as being A, B, C, and D, and they are even numbers, consecutive even numbers. So I don't know what order this is going to happen, but I could think of them in terms of 2n, 2n plus 2, 2n plus 4, and 2n plus 6. So the first thing I want to do is find out what those even numbers are going to be, and then I will arrange them logically. Now, if I add together my four even numbers, I'm going to get 8n plus 12. But similarly, I can just look at the numbers 36 and 40 and know that I've added up all my numbers together if I add those two together, which makes sense because A and C make 40 and B and D make 36. So if I go on and solve this equation, I get an n value of 8, which allows me to find each of my even numbers. And now I know my even numbers, I can get rid of all that algebra, and I can start thinking about arranging them. So I like to start with the smallest number first, 34, and just think about which numbers add up to make that. Now there's a unique combination of 16 and 18. So I know in the red positions on the grid, 16 and 18 have to go, but I don't know which order they are. 36 is also an answer, and that's going in the 36 column. But if I look at making 36, I have to use 16 and 20. There's no other way of doing it. So I know that 16 goes on at the right at the top, and 18 at the left, 20 underneath, 22, and if I go around and check, those are all correct. Big happy smiley face. Problem has been solved.